Assalamualaikum classroom. How are you all? Hope you all are good at home. So we are going to start our new book, that is Countdown Book 2. That is your new book. So we are going to start this book. From this book, we are going to start from the unit number 1, that is about numbers. That is about numbers. The question number 1 is, look at the numbers crunchers. Now, what numbers comes out at the other end? One is done for you. You can see in a A part, they are doing what? If they add 8, first they do what? 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9, then they do what we get the answer, they will do minus 2 and then we get answer 15. So 8 plus 9, how much we get? 8 plus 8, 8 plus 9 makes what? We know that 17. We get answer 17. And if we minus 2 from 17, what we get? 17 minus 2 means we have to go back 2 times. 17 after 17, before 17, 16, then 15. So what the answer is? 15. Now you can do these all parts by using these signs. Now I'm going to do D part for you on the board. What they have to say, 60 minus 50. So first we are going to do 60 minus 50. Then whatever we get the answer, we do multiply by 2. And then whatever we get answer, we have to plus 18. And then we get the final answer. We are going to write on this empty box. Okay, now look at the board. First, you have to do what? They were saying 60 goes to minus 50. Then they move down and say do multiply by 2. Then he moves to the left side and he is saying do plus 18. And after that, he says whatever you get the answer, write in this box. So first we are going to take start from 60. 60 minus 50. So 0 minus 0, we get 0, and 6 minus 5, we get 1. What I get answer? I get 10. Now what I have to do with 10? Multiply by 2. I'm going to write the sign of multiplication and write 2 under 0. Now 2 zeros are 0 and 2 ones are 2. What I get? I get answer is 20. Now it moves to the left side and what he is saying to do? Plus 18. Now I'm going to write sign plus and I am going to write unit under unit and tens under tens. Now 0 plus 8 makes 8 and 2 plus 1 makes 3. The final answer I get, that is 38. So in this empty box, I'm going to write 38 in this box. So this is my answer. Now come back to the book. Now go on page number 2. On page number 2, what we have to do, they are saying, do you remember which way should hungry crocodile open his mouth? So you remember that this thing that we done these things in the previous class. They are saying how you are going to help to crocodile to fill his empty belly. Now in A part, 18, and here you can see empty box, and on the other side you can see they write 19. So come on the board. The question number 2, part A, that is 18, and on the other side we have 19. Crocodile is very hungry. He wants to eat many burgers. So how many burgers are more? Which one is more burgers, 18 or 19? We know 19 is the bigger one. So crocodile will open his face towards 19. I am going to do each part of this question, that is 100. On the left hand side we have 100, and on the right hand side we have 99. Again, crocodile is very hungry. He wants to eat much more. So on this hand I have 100, and on the other hand side I have 99. We know 100 is bigger than 99. So crocodile open his face towards 100. Now come to the book again. You can do these parts till I like this. Now, what you have to do in this question number 3, write the numbers that comes. They are saying write the numbers that comes before, after, and between. Before, after, and between. Now, come on the board. How we will do this, this part. That is question number 3. Question number 3. The first one is before. They are talking about, the first one is before. And the second one is after. And the next one is between. Before means that comes first. After means that comes in the end. And between means that comes in the center. The question is the A part. The first one is, that is 50. The first line is blank, and then they write 54. We know before 54 what comes. Before 54 comes 53. And now after. After means that you have to write what comes next. After 77, we know 78 comes. So we are going to write 78 here. Then we are going to do between one, that is, the first question is 39. Then they leave a line and then write 41. They are saying what comes between these two values, between these two values in the center. Between means center. After 39, what comes? 39. After comes 40. And after 40, we know what comes? 41. Now come back to the book again. Come on page number 3. On page number 3, what you have to do on page number 3, putting in order. As we know in the previous class, we know what is the meaning of order. You have to write the digits line wise. Order means that you have to do what? You have to arrange them and you have to write them in a line and line wise. Now question number 4 is putting these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means that we have to start from the smallest one and until the biggest one. You can see they give you 6 values in this circle, and we have to start from the smallest one and until the biggest one. Ascending means that you have to start from the smallest and end to the largest. Now I'm going to do the B part for you on the board. In a B part, the first they write 87 and 78 and 27, 86, 19, and here we have 14. Now we have to do what? We have to write them in a ascending order. And we know what is the meaning of ascending order. Ascending orders means we have to start from the smallest one and till end on the largest one. So you can see in this circle oval, in this oval, which one is the smallest. We can clearly see that 14 is the smallest one. So first I'm going to write answer is 14. The second one is 19. And after 19, 27 is the biggest. And after 27, 78 is the biggest. And after 78, we can see 86 is the biggest. And in the end, we can see that 87 is the largest one. And we stop at the largest one. This is the ascending order, that we start from the smallest and ends on the largest one. Now come back to the book again. You can do till D part like this, starting from the smallest and end till the biggest one. Now, question number 5. On question number 5, what they are saying, putting these numbers in descending order. Now, what is the meaning of descending order? Descending order means that you have to start from the largest one and end till the smallest one. Now we are going to start with the largest and end on smallest. Now again come on the board. I'm going to do B part for you on the board. The B part for the descending order is they write 58, 90, 9, 2, 77, 49, and 100. Remember, now we are doing descending order. Now we are going to write it in a descending order. Descending order means that we have to start from the largest one. That we have to start from the largest one. And which one is the largest in this oval? The largest one is 100, and then this after 100, the smallest one is 99. After 99, 77. After 77, the smallest one is 58. And after this, we have 49 smallest. And in the end, we get 2. You can see we start from the largest one and ends on the smallest one. In descending order, we always start from the largest and ends on the smallest one. Now come back to the book again. You can do part A, B, C, and D by using descending order. You have to do these parts. In these parts, what you have to do, write them in a descending order. Now come on page number 5, page number 4. On page number 4, what we have to do, place value. We know the place values. We read these things in the last class, in class 1. Now, question number 6, how many tens, how many ones, count and write? How many ones, how many tens, how many ones, count and write? You can see in the A part, how many tens and ones are there? You can see a color box, and in a color box, how many colors are there? There are 10 colors, and it makes how many 10? 1, 10, 1, 10. And these separate pencils means these are ones. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, and this one is 3. So it makes how much? 13. It makes 13. Now in a B part, you can see this is 1/10 and this is second tens. So how many tens we have? 2. So we are going to write 2 here. Now we are going to count these separate pencils. How many pencils are there? These are ones. We are going to write on this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. So the answer is 6. How many ones are there? 6. So the answer is after equals, what we are going to write, the answer will be 26. You can see on the board how I'm going to do this one. They ask you how many tens are there and how many ones are there, and then after that they are saying how much it becomes in the end. So you can see on the book how many tens are there. There are 2 tens and 6 ones. When we add them together, what we get total 26. It becomes 26. Come back to the book again. You can do these parts like this. Now come on page number 5. On page number 5, what we have to do, place value. Place value question number 7, write the number according to the place values. You can see A part, here 3 tens and 6 ones. When we add them together, when we write it, it becomes what? 36. Now B part is 0 tens and 6 ones. How we are going to write it? We have no tens and we have only ones. How many ones? 6 ones. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. The C one is how many tens we have here? 5. And how many ones we have here? 3. So when we when we are going to write them together, the answer will be 53. Now, question number 8, write in words. Write in words. 4 tens and 5 ones. We know when we write them together, it becomes what? 45. It becomes what? 45. And you write them into words. Words means you have to write in alphabets A, B, C, D. So you have to write the spellings of 45. Now the next one is 7 tens and 2 tens. Come on the board. You can see here what they are saying. 7 tens and 2 ones. It makes what? When we write them together, it makes what? 72. And now we have to write them in words. Now we have to write it in words. So in words, we know we have to write in alphabet, means A, B, C, D. Now we know it is 72. Spelling of 70, SEVENTY, 70. Then we are going to write small dash between it. Then write 2, 72. We can do these parts like this. We have to do these parts, write them in a words. Now come on page number 6. On page number 6, what you have to do is, they are saying how many tens and how many ones. Now we have to find how many tens and ones in this page. Look at the abacus, then fill in the empty boxes. You can see the draw an abacus for, on the book, and then there are 3 blank boxes. I'm going to do B part for you on the board. Look at the board, what it is about. They are saying, look at the abacus. In the previous class, we done these type of questions. The first line shows ones, and the second one is tens. And on the book, there are 2 beads are here, and here are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. Then you can see they leave 3 empty boxes. 3 empty boxes. You have to do what in these 3 empty boxes? First, you have to write how many are there. We know here is 8 tens and 2 ones. It becomes what? 82. In a first box, you have to write how many are there. And in a second box, you have to write how many tens are there and how many ones are there. So 8 tens are there. 8 tens and 2 ones. And in the last one, you have to write like this: 80 plus 2. That becomes what? 82. That becomes what? 82. You can do all parts like this of this page. Now, question number 10 on page number 6 is about write 63, 72, 55, 38, and 96 in what? Ascending order and descending order. In the previous page, I told you what is the meaning of ascending and what is the meaning of descending. Ascending means that you have to start from the smallest one. You have to find which one is the smallest. The 38 is the smallest, so they write 38. After 38, you are going to write 55, then 63, and so on till 96. And descending order means that you have to write the biggest one. The biggest one is 96. And before 96, which one is the smallest? We know 72, and we write till the smallest one. And we are going to end till the smallest one. That is 38. So your last answer is 38 of this line. Now come on the board again, write your diaries. Your diary is This is your homework. Homework is do page number 126 of your book. Learn table of 2 and 3. This is the homework of this week. Do it at home. Stay safe and healthy at home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.